Hi, I'm disability lawyer David Brannon. In this video, I'm going to answer a viewer's question: how does CPP disability interact with spousal support payments? After this video, you'll understand what happens if you are receiving CPP disability and get spousal support payments, or you have spousal support payments and get approved for CPP disability. We're going to cover both scenarios. Let's go get into it right now. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments if you want clarifications. So what is the interaction between CPP disability payments and spousal support payments? So you are receiving spousal support and you've been getting the spousal support payments for months or maybe years, and you suddenly get approved for CPP disability. CPP disability is a form of income. And because it is a form of income, it can affect your spousal support payment. Spousal support payments, one of the factors they look at are what are the income of both of the spouses and the household income. There's a bunch of things that go into it. It's complicated, it's not my area of the law, but I know enough that your income, if your income level changes, it can affect the spousal support payments. Not always, but it can. Now, spousal support payments are typically dictated by a separation agreement or a court order that is official and filed with the court. Usually, not always. So if you have one of those things in place and your income changes, if you are the person receiving the support, the person who's paying the support would have to apply to court to get that order changed or to get the separation agreement amended to possibly change the amount they're paying or to lower the amount they're paying because you're getting CPP disability. Now, whether you have obligations to inform your other spouse and this type of thing, you've got to talk to your lawyer that you used or seek advice on that. I can't say. It will depend on your situation and what's in the separation agreement. So let's go to scenario number 2. You're already approved for CPP disability, and then you get separated and you start receiving spousal support. In that scenario, getting the spousal support will have no effect on your CPP disability whatsoever. Now, we're going on the assumption that when the spousal support was calculated, they knew about your CPP disability payments. So as long as that was known, we're going to assume that that was factored in, and that is factored into the amount of spousal support you're getting. They would have looked at your CPP as income, and that would have been part of how the spousal support was calculated. So if you're already on CPP disability and you start getting spousal support payments, there's likely going to be no effect on either one. As long as they knew about the CPP disability, there's not going to be an issue there. CPP disability is not concerned with spousal support income because it is not income from employment. CPP only worries about income from employment and your capacity to do work. Spousal support has really nothing directly to do with you working. It has nothing to do with you working. It is a payment that is coming to you from a spouse for totally other reasons. So I hope this answers your question, the person who sent this in, and gives you an idea that how these two things interact. But if you have more questions or you want clarifications, just put them in the comments down below, and we will see you back here next time.